My name is Kazmar, and this is Predis. Right now we're at the National Arena for the Business House Netball Match Association Divisional Leagues Final, and of course you're in for another treat. So for the next half an hour, just sit back, relax, and let Predis show the latest in entertainment. Let's go. We're here at the netball match at the National Arena, and to be honest, I don't really know anything about netball. So what's going on the field? Tell me.
Okay, right now we're having a match between PCJ and NHD. It's a final match, right? So they're actually playing for the trophy at this time.
Okay, so you guys over here all dressed up and realize that you're finalists in the Miss BHNA competition. So what's your name and why did you enter this competition?
Well, my name is Alondra Gutsmore, and I entered this competition for experience and exposure, which I have received and I've learned about netball.
Okay, so I was teasing you before when I got here that you guys seem to be the pretty girls just sitting here, not playing netball. You can't play netball?
Actually, you have to be a part of a team to be able to enter this competition.
So that's the requirement?
Yes.
So good luck in the competition. So you think you can beat everybody here or you feel in the competition?
The competition is here, but you have to have, let's say, self-motivation. Yes. So I think I can be a winner, and I think Mr. Jakor will say the same thing.
Certainly, right? All right, so good luck, guys, in the competition. Now, follow me. We're going to be talking about Marco Polo. I was there, you know, and trust me, the vibes, they ton up people, women, bikini, sexiness, cool. Listen, you have to check out the highlights right here on Predis. Of course, we talked to even a certain pet was there. So check it out right here on Predis. Mark.
The crowd was huge, the vibes was off the chain, the music had patrons rocking in every corner, the water was there, yeah, quite a lot, and the experience was worth the wait. It was another successful staging of Marco Polo at the Stadium Car Park in Kingston. 8 hours of fun and frolic, and patrons still wanted more. Hassle-free bars, tight security, and no long waiting to get inside the venue. Marco Polo easily tops all the parties for 2011. And now we wait patiently for the next staging. Did we hear December?
I'm going to pull up start at $1,000. Wait. What is it? In the party, run with it. Upside down, it is over. Lift up my gal, backside gal, bring it up, kick it up, push up, jump with her.
It's awesome, actually. I'm enjoying the liquor, the fun, the slide. It's awesome.
So where you came out tonight?
Well, me and my cousin and their friend over there.
Here goes forward. So then on a scale I want to tell, much party are going for right now with 10 being the highest.
It's awesome. I love it.
Marco Polo is a place to be. You're up there. No jacket this week. That me I tell you. Marco Polo all the way.
All shape, all size, all color, everybody there. The party turn up. Now I want to find out exactly why Marco Polo tonight.
Yo, sick. Marco Polo just sick with up there. Water. Be a girls, be a guys. Yo, it's mad,
right?
At home, you missing some, yo.
Everybody say Marco Polo. Don't let my drink run out. Yeah. You don't know a beer water, beer hot sexy girl and some skimpy thing. Yeah, and the music always bad. And the vibe just always there, that's why I'm there, is it?
Yeah, the party mad, you know. You don't know the whole 8 there, 4-4 there, staying them there. But all are good vibes, you see me? Just flying from LA today.
Mad, how do I go still talk to you about LA, you know, man?
Yeah, LA turn up, you see me? Mad thing, Club Mirage is a good look Saturday.
So you know the man, so the man left LA, you know, the man there, Marco Polo.
Girl dash for your road and some boy still a place cover and I don't want none. Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, I gal over gun. International gal is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and rum. No, me no watch man pants, boy, call me no tailor for that. You a straight fire bun. Bad no. And the gal them turn up me thing. And the gal them turn up me thing. Turn it up so low. Vegan can go round me thing. Them a try fi corrupt me thing. Turn it up so low. girl them turn up me thing. Pagan can't go round me thing. Them a try fi corrupt me thing. Them say shut the road. Them say cargo your at the road. Them say bad mind give the latter road. So watch your head back a road. Me know if you drop cash a road. Fi girl drop frack a road. Believe me, some boy ya buy catch a road. Reputation slack a road. Oh God. And the girl them turn up me thing. And the girl them turn up me thing. And the girl turn up.
I feel free. My niggas let me just smoke the bar. So you don't give me everybody again, man again. I feel free. I'm in the club and I'm trying to get fired. I feel free. Most of all, cause I got love. I feel free.
What you about rum bars and liquors and rum itself?
Well, them a do them thing, them a go on. Not gonna be biased, you know what I mean, sir? Man, I like go out and party and I like to try different things, you know what I mean? And when rum bar come out on the market, I'm a little skeptical, but now that I try it with, you know, a couple of different beverages to kind of like chase it and
it's a go on, man. It's a go on.
Oh, you know, say, me that dumb if me not talk. It's a shot. You hear that? And the second Marco Polo this to me, I tell you, it will be a fourth, a fifth, a third.
Well, all the vibes are going so far, sir.
Boy, it's mad. Me feel like, say, a nigga in the Christmas. You see me, I said, no, trust me, I love it. Mad.
Which DJ player? I want to know if you not pay attention. Which DJ player?
Mataran, of course.
Oh, so how Mataran go on? How Mataran?
Good, it's a good look. I'm good for the girl, and me for tell you. It's turn up, big up my friend Flame. It's hot, and we say hot. Now nobody know hot.
Alright, so you don't know some Marco Polo book now. We realize you're in the bikini when you get wet. When you come out for party, we could have made a party even better.
Yeah, no, it couldn't have been better. It's good. You at home, you miss something. This is so cool.
It's a go on good. Manala is shot this time. It's shot. Run it for the venue. Have more space and it's a go on with thing.
Oh, it's a go on, Phil.
Right now, first I want some jerk chicken.
Mad. So Marco Polo, turn up.
Turn up.
You come back next year.
Hungry, you see, yeah, man. After the next.
It's not your first one.
No, second time.
Second time. So you didn't come at the one in August?
Yeah, man.
You didn't believe that when them said it would have meant that October when I turn up. Think, turn up. All the girl them look still. All the girl them.
Them sexy, them ready. Everything to them. But, brother, fuck it.
You miss your this thing. I like the thing I shot.
Say nah, miss that one.
No. Thing I shot. I like
so you did the one for August because them they don't say October. The thing I got turn up, you know. What you about tonight?
Me there fine one August, but I want you loud. I like.
Loud.
Me enjoy myself, yeah.
She says our destiny, forget next to me. This a girl I want flex with me, rest with me, nothing less sissy. So me give her the best of me. The girl I want like a gypsy. One more shot and she get tipsy. She have the itsy, the real itsy. Circle down on me lady. You know say you a drive me crazy. The way you whine you amaze me. You know take a bag of man like the Navy. Circle down on me lady. Broke it out on the floor, you're not lazy. Your lifestyle is not shady. And you know take a bag of man like the Navy. You know see the thing turn up in a ya. Girl a whine it like a propeller. Brace it up, wanna suck me ya. It's same one damage up Jennifer. Me lace her up like a ear Nike. She take a ride on the big bike.
How do you go about planning a party like this? I mean, look at the turnout, look at the change of venue. Talk to us about that.
Well, it's a lot of work. And of course, it has to do with that team. I mean, if you look at it right now, we're having Calypso music playing. Soca music, Titan VCD is on the mic right now from Trinidad. And we had to bring persons in to make the product a wonderful one that persons can really respect and come together for a wonderful price. Yeah. And for that price, we have to thank our sponsors. Right now, we're standing in the Digicel Drive VIP Skybox, courtesy of Digicel. We have to big up Digicel. Rum Bar Rum is our title sponsor, who has always been with us at all our events. I want to big up Rum Bar Rum, Paul, a big maximum respect, sir. The wonderful thousands of patrons that could have chosen to go to Ocho Rios.
That's what I'm saying to
you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
But they're right here with us.
Alright, so it seems as if my team are winning us. So tell me how the match look to you. You're nervous?
Yes, we are so far, but we are just taking it slow and we're getting there.
So you think you can come out? You think you can come out on top tonight?
Definitely.
You're the winning team? You're the winning team?
I'm the winning team. At the end of the game, we're hoping to be the winning team.
Right, so we hope you all the best, you know, because I'm sitting here, so I must can give them a little bit of my look. Everybody seems so intent on the game. So let's talk about the previous events calendar. Of course, we're going to make sure that you guys know what is going on, what's hot, where the hot spots are. You have to check them out weekly. So we're going to narrow it down right here on the previous events calendar. You think you're going? You think you're going?
I'm definitely going to.
All right, previous.
Hey, a crazy gal a road a run me down, but I'm not gonna make none of them draw me out, because none of them can compare to my spouse. I just my good old wife. I just my good old wife. She alone me coming home to every night. I just my good old wife. I just my good old wife. Me not gonna make no Jezebel mash up me life. To keep this marriage standing strong, you know it's crucial. So me not go follow a friend, go look no new gal. My baby love me and she know the feelings mutual. So I me and me good old wife as you.
Alright, you can see it's a stiff match between PCJ and NHT. Of course, we have to take a short commercial break. We're holding it down right here at the National Arena. We're so forward.